Good morning friends, welcome to SPM study. Today is 17th April 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 17th April. Our first question is, which country will host Asian Boxing Championship 2020? Answer is option number 1, India. Recently, the Boxing Federation of India BFI has announced that India will host the 2020's edition of Asian Boxing Championship in November 2020. Answer is option number 1. Next question. IMF has estimated dash percent growth rate for India in 2020. Answer is option number 1, 1.9%. IMF is International Monetary Fund. It is an international organization of 189 countries working to foster global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote high employment and sustainable economic growth, and reduce poverty around the world. It was established in 27th December 1944. Its headquarters is in Washington DC. Currently, managing director of IMF is Kristalina Georgieva and chief economist of IMF is Geeta Gopinath. And recently, IMF has published a report called World Economic Outlook April 2020, and in this report IMF has estimated the growth rate of India for the financial year 2020-21 is 1.9%. Also, IMF has estimated China's growth rate for the same year 1.2%, and it is also said that only India and China will have positive growth rate in this fiscal year. Answer is option number 2. Next question. Which app has become the world's highest downloaded app in just 13 days? Answer is option number 4, Arogya Setu. Arogya Setu is the app launched by Government of India to send alerts even if the user comes close proximity with the COVID-19 positive case unknowingly. And recently, Arogya Setu has become the world's fastest app to reach 50 million users within just 13 days. Answer is option number 4. Next question. The Ministry of Tourism has launched a new webinar series. What is it called? Answer is Dekho Apna Desh. Recently, the Ministry of Tourism launched a new webinar series Dekho Apna Desh on 14th April 2020 to provide information about many destinations and cultures from across the India. Next question. Which nation has stopped its funding to the World Health Organization, that is WHO? Answer is option number 4, US. United States has recently stopped its funding to World Health Organization, saying that WHO, that is World Health Organization, has severely mismanaged the spread of COVID-19. Answer is option number 4. And US funds WHO with $400 to $500 every year. This funding has been stopped to WHO. WHO is World Health Organization. It was established on 7th April 1948. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, and currently Director General of World Health Organization is Tedros Adhanom. Next question. How many points appeal, that is Shaptapadi, was made by PM Modi to the citizens of the nation as preventive measure of COVID-19 during announcement of extension of lockdown? Answer is option number 1, 7. Recently, Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi has extended the nationwide lockdown till 3rd May 2020 to stop the spread of COVID-19. He made 7-point appeal, that is Saptapadi, to the citizens of India as the preventive measures from COVID-19. These 7-point appeals are: first is take special care of the elderly, second is observe social distancing, third is follow protocol issued by the Ayush Ministry, fourth is use Arogya Setu mobile app to stay safe and secure from coronavirus, fifth is be compassionate towards those who work with you, sixth is help the poor and the needy, and seventh and last is respect the efforts of corona warriors, that is doctors and nurses, sanitization workers and police. Answer is option number 3, 7. Next question. Jim Corbett National Park has become India's first quarantine center for animals. Where does Jim Corbett National Park located? Answer is option number 1, Uttarakhand. Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest forested wildlife sanctuary located in Uttarakhand, and it has recently become the India's first quarantine center for animals with symptoms of COVID-19. Answer is option number 1, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, look into the map. This is Uttarakhand. Capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Governor of Uttarakhand is Baby Rani Maurya and Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. Next question, which Indian state government has launched Annapurna and Supply Mitra portals for citizens' food needs? Answer is option number 4, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Uttar Pradesh government has launched two portals with the name Annapurna and Supply Mitra for citizens' foods needs in Uttar Pradesh. Answer is option number 4, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, this is Uttar Pradesh. Capital is Lucknow. Governor is Anandiben Patel and Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath. Next question, which of the following day has recently celebrated as World Art Day? Answer is option number 3, 15th April. Recently, 15th April has been celebrated as World Art Day. It is celebrated to promote the development, diffusion and enjoyment of art. Answer is option number 3. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, when is World Water Day observed across the world every year? Answer is option number 3, 22nd March. Every year, 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day all over the world, and theme of World Water Day 2020 was water and climate change. Answer is option number 3. Now today's question. Question is, which institute has recently developed smart stethoscope? Options are IIT Roorkee, IIT Mumbai, IIT Kanpur and IIT Gandhinagar. If you know answer of the question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we'll discuss this question in the next video.